Hello, this is Julio Davila, your Atlanta real estate agent, with another virtual home tour, Celebrity Edition. We are in Sandy Springs, Georgia, which is north of Atlanta. Today we are touring the home of Porsha and Simon. They moved into their $7 million mansion in January 2022, sitting on 2 acres. It's approximately 50,284 square feet and has a transitional Mediterranean style. It's 5 bedrooms, 6 baths, and a home gym. Every inch has a casual, understated elegance befitting their lavish lifestyles, and contains a sprawling garden and an outdoor pool. The mansion is reminiscent of a beachside resort. White painted brick walls, arched windows, and muted red roof exudes timeless appeal that will remain in style for years to come. A wide paved walkway in the middle of the lush front yard leads to a grand glass door. The backyard has an outdoor lounging area and a room with a massive movie screen. A chic, sophisticated interior welcomes you as soon as you step in. The living room contains 2 oversized curved white couches and round brown coffee tables. Beneath it lies a plush carpet in matching white. Rays of sunlight seeping through the large windows introduce a light, airy vibe, while royal blue curtains infuse color into the predominantly white interior. Porsha maintained the white color scheme for her kitchen. Wooden cupboards and a window occupies the third wall. In the middle, blue upholstered chairs surround a rectangular island. A trimmed doorway then connects the kitchen to the dining. Contrary to the kitchen, the dining room walls spot a modern charcoal black paint. Creamy white plush chairs flank a black marble table, with golden-hued chandeliers hanging overhead. In the office, neutral gray walls allow the golden accents scattered throughout the room to shine. An eye-catching art piece props against one wall, while geometric patterned blinds drape adjacent windows. One noteworthy architectural detail is the towering ceiling, which instantly adds drama and makes the office appear more luxurious and spacious than it is. The owner's suite exudes a contemporary style owing to white walls, cream ceilings, and gray flooring. Sandy Springs offers an urban-suburban feel ideal for those craving the fast yet homely vibe that both urban and suburban living provides. Don't forget to tell us what you think in the comments below, like, and subscribe. Now let's finish taking a look inside.
Perfect. Perfect.